Alright, so let's try this question. This is one of the HOTS questions. Very long working. So let's try. Okay, first and foremost, how do you start these questions? Differentiate. You cannot differentiate at the top because there's a +3. The clue comes from here where EX and AX they have the same power. So what should we do? Normally you split it up, okay? Long division can give you the answer, but splitting is faster. What's the difference between up and down? This one has -1, it has -1. But this one is 2EX, right? So I want what? For me to simplify that. I want it to be if EX -1, so 2EX -2. Okay? But so I want -2 here, so what should I do? -2 plus 2. Until there, are you okay? Are you okay? Why -2? Because then I can split it up something like this. 2EX -2 plus 2 and plus 3, I can interact, I get myself +5 AX -1. Can you see this? You just come from the steps. 2EX -2, I can factorize, I get myself 2EX -1. So now I can simplify this. Are you okay? That one is easy. So we got ourselves 2dx ln 5 ln 2. And this one is, let's solve this one easily. Normally I'll do everything first, but since this is a very long working, let's solve it out. This one we got ourselves 2x ln 5 ln 2, which gives us 2 ln 5 minus 2 ln 2. Until here, are you okay? I just do this part. Alright? Are you okay with the splitting? Okay, now let's do the very tough one. Let's do this part here. Let's leave our answer. Let's leave it there. 5 dx minus 1. Yeah, the board. Okay, how do we continue from here? How do we continue? Any good suggestion? This is a tough one. What technique should we use? Substitution is the way to go. So let u equals to dx minus 1. du dx is dx. du ex dx, this is normally where we stop. We substitute. This one is over here. But can I find ex dx at all? There's no ex dx. We only have dx. What should I do with this ex? Substitute out. This is the advanced substitution. Okay? If I were to give the name, I say it's an advanced substitution manipulation. Because I don't have ex over here, I don't want my ex to be here, so I'll bring it to the other side. But sir, if ex, it cannot exist with du. Yes, you are right. So we need to manipulate it. We got ourselves u plus 1 equals to ex. Okay? So ex here becomes 1 over u plus 1 du. So So now let's substitute them. We'll get ourselves five remain as 5. In fact, 5 we are not doing anything. So I recommend 5 you write it outside. Over here becomes 1 over u. And the x becomes du. Where should I write down the u plus 1? Down here. Are you okay? Long thing. Before I continue with that, just for this particular case, I would like to substitute. I would like to substitute this one first. So x equals to ln 5, u equals to e ln 5 minus 1 give me 4. Another one is x equals to 1, 2. U equals to e ln 2 minus 1 give me 1. So where should I put this 4 and 1? Up here. Right now we got all the sets, we can continue. But this is the main part that you need to understand. Are you okay? Advanced substitution manipulation. We got this extra, we bring it down here. We need to change by manipulating. That's the new thing for you. Okay, now how do you continue from here? Normally we want to expand if it's a numerator. If a denominator, we don't want to expand. You can separate it out if you got something like this. But you cannot split it out when you got. Okay, you're going to split it. It's a partial fraction. Why is it a partial? Because they are more than, denominator you have more than 2 factors. More than 1 lah. And it's a partial. So it's a partial fraction over here. Yes, you are right. 1 over u plus 1 equals to a over u plus b u plus 1, which gives me 1 equals to a u plus 1 okay. Over here there's nothing much, just solving the partial fraction. We do them, that u equals to 0, 1 equals to a plus 0. I'm not that comfortable, I like to do it this way. The one is that u equals to this one negative 1. So 1 equals to 0 plus minus b. Minus b. So b is negative 1. Are you okay with the partial fraction? So what we have learned so far, there's a lot of skills there. You can move the camera. So by doing partial, we got ourselves now. Hey, I missed my one. A 1 over u minus 1 over plus 1 du. Don't miss this 5. Last time previously when I do this question I forgot about it. Don't be like me. Okay, now integrating 1 over u, what do you get? ln u, very good. Integrating minus ln u plus 1. Very good. So 4, 1 over here, 4 here. We write things a bit better. Normally I'll put them into one box, but in these particular questions, we want to connect with this part. So show you here. Because I want to connect to this part, so I don't want to combine them up. 4. Don't be the guy in YouTube where people record but the camera doesn't follow and the commenter always asks, what happened to that side? And this whole thing is connect to the 4. The long one is 0, is negative, interact over here, and positive. 1, 2, 1, 4 minus 1, 5 plus 1, 2. And we got this 4 which can interact. There are many ways on how to solve from here. 4, 4, 4. I can simplify a bit further here. 4, I can also rewrite it as?
So why 4, not
5. Because I am quite hungry and I eat one of them. It's lunchtime here. I'm not sure. This 4 you can write down as?
1/4.
Because you got 2 over here, so we 1 and 4. Can I connect them?
Don't 2
Can we write it as?
2
square.
square.
And what can I do with this square? Take in front. In your school days, when you make a careless mistake, does your teacher say to you, what happened to that thing? Do you eat that thing? Yeah. So I miss it just now. And 5 ln 2 can interact with 10 ln 2. It gives us 50. Then these two interact. Get over here. Are you okay so far? Are you still alive? Is this our final answers? Why not? Because you want to interact this with this one here. Okay, and it's a plus here. So you want to plus them up. So I write that one first. Yeah. I mean, you should be proud of yourself. I mean, the whiteboard got full. It's like in the movie that you used to watch, right? They say, oh, that people are genius. They do those kind of mathematics. I wish one day I can do. Do you ever wish that kind of stuff? Yeah, it's not finally. I was thought someone's gonna be quick. Okay, can we combine our answers somehow? Minus 2 ln 2 and plus 15 ln 2.
13.
Minus 13. Did I miss something?
Plus
15 apple minus 2 apple.
plus
13. Genius. Tiring lah. I kind of lose my stamina at the end. 2 ln 5 minus 5 ln 5. minus
3.
3 upon 5. That's the final answers. Yeah, give a big clap. Just studying, yeah, it's a HOTS level questions. Just a little bit of recap for you. Okay, the thing that you need to remember, the first part is that this one is 2EX. Okay, 2EX and down here also EX. The easiest way to go is by splitting it up. Minus 2 plus 2. How do I figure out minus 2 plus 2? Because here over 2EX, right? Here is EX. So you want to factorize now. 2EX minus 2. So you get yourself 2EX minus 2, factorize the 2. Since this one doesn't have minus 2, you need to do minus 2 plus 2. Okay, alright? This is one technique that you need to do. Splitting. This part over here is easy. But this one over here, integrating this part, the 5 over EX minus 1. As you can see, we do substitution just now, we got the extra EX. What do we do with this? We advance manipulate it. Advance substitute it. Transfer to the side and then manipulate it. And then substitute it. Alright? Don't forget, you need to substitute this ln 5 and ln 5 and ln 2 as well. It makes your working a lot easier. Once you reach over here, then it's partial fractions. In this case, the partial is not that difficult. Substitute. And over here, nothing much. Just be careful with your workings. And remember, this is 5, not 4, like someone just now. And over here, yeah, plus 15 minus 10. Once you get this answer, you need to combine with the first part of the answers. Alright. How many marks this will be in exams? I give around 15 to 20 maybe. Okay, alright, that's all very much. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe.